The pandemic has put the world on hold, totaling over 23 million cases worldwide. Seems like that's our new reality, with the limitations and extra precautions. The virus has not omitted the celebrities. Here is 10 celebrities and significant figures who tested positive for COVID-19. Let's go. It's Teen Spirit News. Few minutes of coolest news on the world of YouTube, games, technology, movies, and music. Like, subscribe, and let's go. Dwayne "The Rock" Johnson. He doesn't look like someone who can get sick, right? He posted on Instagram video telling he and his wife with 2 kids have coronavirus. He said it's one of the most challenging things they went through as a family. The Rock himself had a rough go, by the way. So the actor is advocating the commitment to wellness and immune system boost, yet still calls to wear a mask and follow the other precautions. Robert Pattinson, a sparkling vampire from the Twilight, also contracted COVID-19. Actually, this paused the production of his film The Batman just 3 days after it was resumed. Yes, he is the new Batman. Woohoo! The actor is now in quarantine, so he is isolated. Some crew members are still working on the sets and props, but those who contacted Pattinson are also in self-isolation. The behavior of the cast and crews was exemplary and super responsible. The movie premiere is planned for October 2021. Running legend Usain Bolt tested positive just days after holding a party to celebrate his 34th birthday in late August. He set world records for sprints, but yet couldn't avoid COVID. Videos of Bolt's outdoor birthday party showed guests not wearing masks during the celebration. Oh well, birthday is not a reason to neglect the pandemic. Gotta be serious about it even during parties. Antonio Banderas. Yes, in mid-August he tested positive for coronavirus, so he, unlike Usain Bolt, spent his birthday in isolation. The actor claimed he's just more tired than usual, and he's hoping to recover soon. I'm so sorry for everybody who had their birthdays in quarantine. I know it's awful. Jair Bolsonaro. Brazil's president underestimated the severity of the pandemic. He tested positive in mid-June and was ignoring the safety measures recommended by the health experts, both before and after his diagnosis, including shaking hands and hugging supporters in crowds. His wife and sons have also tested positive. Tom Hanks. He was one of the first celebrities to get to know the virus personally. He and his wife were in Australia in mid-March, where they tested positive. After recovering and returning to United States, Hanks has advocated for people to do their part to slow the spread of the disease. British Prime Minister Boris Johnson caught coronavirus in mid-March. The virus was rough on him, so he had to stay in the hospital in London for a whole week, as well as 3 extra nights in intensive care with extra oxygen and observed around the clock. He was released in mid-April and credited hospital staff for saving his life. Pink discussed her coronavirus diagnosis on Instagram Friday, April the 3rd, saying she had visited her doctor after she and her 3-year-old son started experiencing COVID-19 symptoms in March. She noted that the illness is very serious and real, stressing the importance of making the testings free and accessible to protect the vulnerable society groups. Bryan Cranston. The Breaking Bad star revealed he had COVID-19 a while ago, but handled it well with the mild symptoms. Although the actor contracted the virus while strictly following the quarantine, he, by the way, donated plasma to help with the development of the vaccine. The last but not least person I wanted to tell about is Charlotte Figi. This girl's story inspired the use of marijuana oil, the CBD compound, for epilepsy treatment, helping millions of kids and adults with seizures worldwide. Yet the virus got even to her, and she died at the age of 13 at the beginning of April. That's a real loss. So, whether you're young or older, rich or poor, famous, sporty, living a quiet life in any country, in any city, the virus is real, and it doesn't care who you are. Be careful, wear a mask, wash your hands, and practice social distancing to protect yourself and those who are at risk. Be healthy, and see you next time. Bye!